In a hidden forest realm, sorceress Lily discovered a profound connection with the ancient oak known as Atlas. Standing together, their breaths intertwined in a dance of harmony. They channeled their shared understanding of magic to spread unity and wonder. Enchanted gardens bloomed, their fragrant blooms inspiring awe, and reminding all to treasure each breath that aligned them with the eternal dance of life. The realm marveled at the ethereal beauty, spirits uplifted, as Lily and Atlas's enchantments wove a tapestry of color, fragrance, and vitality. Inhaling the scent of enchanted flora, the people felt a deep connection to the natural world. Breath became a symbol of the life force that moved through all living things. As generations passed, the legend of Lily and Atlas inspired the realm to embrace their connection with nature and the magic within. The gardens flourished, a testament to the breath that aligned them with the eternal dance of life, whispering tales of their extraordinary bond throughout the enchanted forest.